Welcome back, folks. Today we are testing out this BOYA Magic microphone here. We're out here at the lake and giving it a good run, a good test in this video. This is like a good 3-in-1 versatile microphone. So I want to go through, talk about all the different features with this, all the cool stuff you can do with it. We'll also put it to the test out in the real world so you can see how it performs. Right now, for instance, we have it set up here on the Lapel. And so we're using that. We also have the windsock on it. There's a little bit of a breeze out here. So we'll see how the audio comes out. But yeah, we're going to test all the features and you'll get a good idea by the end of the video just how capable this microphone is. All right, folks, so let's go ahead and take a closer look here on the tabletop with everything that you get in the box and how it all works. So with this, we have our main unit here. So this doubles as our handheld mic, but then also too, our charging area in here for both of the Lapel mics. They fit neatly in there, and then the cover just swaps back over. The receiver bit fits there on the bottom. I have that plugged into the iPhone right now. I'll roll in footage of what that looks like. And then you can see also too some holes there for the microphone. And then also you have two Lapel mics. So the cool thing that they did with this was they set it up as such that you have two options for attaching it to you. So you've got basically the little bendy clip here, and then you also too have a little magnet. So if you want to put the magnet behind a shirt and do that, you can do that too. So you got two options in terms of how to use that Lapel microphone. Then the next three options you have, as long as you have a mic here in this slot, one of the Lapel mics in this slot on the top there, close this up, and then you can press this button, turn this on, and this now becomes a handheld mic. So you can talk into it yourself, you can pass it to somebody else, whatever you need to do. And then also with the slot here for a tripod screw, you can either use this as a boom mic, put it on any sort of mount or tripod that has a tripod type screw, and use it as a boom mic. And then also too, you can use it just as like a little tripod on a desk, something like that. So you've got a bunch of different options in terms of how you can actually use this. Now, in addition, they give you a little case to keep everything in. They have a sock here. I think this is pretty much for more indoor use. Then they have a windsock to put over it if you're using it as a handheld microphone for outside or in the wind. It does have noise canceling tech, which, as you'll see in the video here, works pretty good. And then they have two of these, which you can put over the Lapel mic if you so desire, to basically help as a windsock. And then also too, there are instructions as well if you need the instructions. All right, so now we're putting it to the test out here. We have a windsock on our Lapel with this, and so we'll see how the sound quality comes out. But it's very convenient with the Lapel mic because you have a magnet that you can like stick on the other side of a shirt or something like that. And you also have the clip. So like right now, I have it clipped to my my life jacket here. And so, yeah, even with the breeze blowing, hopefully the audio comes out good, but just enjoying the day out here in the late fall at the lake, soaking it all up. So this should give you a good idea of how that audio is going to sound with this. And I'm using my iPhone, and I have the little receiver plugged into the USB-C slot. So I also have the noise reduction set as well. So that should help with any big breezes that come up or anything like that. So now what we'll do is we'll just kind of test the microphone. Now I have it set up as just a handheld microphone. So if I just want to hold it in my hand and talk into it, and I forgot to bring the windsock today, so there is a bit of a breeze. So I have the noise reduction set on it. So that should help if there's any breezes that are kind of blown into the microphone. But yeah, so that should be kind of the sound quality that you can expect with this if you're using the handheld microphone. So, you know, that's kind of convenient. It just gives you another option where if you don't want to use the Lapel mic, and let's say if you're interviewing someone or something like that, where you can just hand the mic kind of over their direction and have them talk into it. So if you're doing kind of man on the street interviews or something like that, or interviewing someone for your video, you know, you have that option of just using it as handheld. And also, I'll be curious when I actually watch this video over, with the breeze blowing here, how well the noise reduction works on this as I'm sitting out here at the lake, kind of getting blown around a little bit by the breeze. So folks, in the end, what did we think about our BOYA Magic microphone? Well, this ended up working out wonderfully. Did a great job. I'm outside right now. There's a bit of a breeze blowing. I've got the windsock on it here. Very compact, so it's easy to kind of take with you anywhere, throw in a pocket, throw in a bag, you name it. Definitely, especially whenever I do my shorter reviews and videos and stuff, a lot of times I'll be using this, or whenever I'm doing stuff out traveling, whatever, and I just want to film a quick video with the iPhone. This is going to be perfect for that. So anyways, definitely check this out, folks, and very happy with it, and y'all have a good day.